So this is a quick tutorial in which I am going to show you that how you can enable student comments in lectures inside system.io. Okay, so if you are hosting a course inside system.io, then uh, having a comment section below the videos, below the lectures can be very helpful for you because it will not only increases the engagement, but at the same time it's a great mechanism for getting feedback. Okay, so maybe you can tell your students to write something in the comment section, and also you can take their feedback, so you can ask them exactly what they think about this particular lecture or what they really want to learn in future lectures, right? So a comment section can be uh, a great way to engage and to communicate with the students. Because of that, you should have this below every single video. So many users of system.io sometimes find it difficult to figure it out exactly how they can enable it, and they are not able to exactly see where this option is available. So I am going to show you exactly where it is. It's a pretty simple process. It's just going to take 2 more minutes and you will have it. Okay, so let's just see how you can do it. Okay, so first of all, let's just products and click courses. Okay, now as you can see, these are the 5 courses that I have. So let's just pick any one of them. Let's just pick this one. So basically click in this, and as you can see here, this is the lecture. Inside this module, I have one lecture, and inside this module of bonuses, I have few more lectures, right? So suppose I want to enable a comment inside this particular lecture. So what I will do, first of all, let's just have a preview and see how it's looking right now. So it's loading, and yes, you can see when I'm scrolling down, you can see there is no comment section, right? Here there is a button mark as complete. This is something that I have written, and here I have my video. Okay, so video is there, everything is there, but there is no comment section right now. Okay, so let's just close this window. Now jump again here and see how we can enable it. So basically you have to click on these 3 dots and then you have to click settings. And after that, when you see here there is an option of enable comments, just click this button and click save. Okay, and now after that, just go again and preview this lecture again. It's loading once again. And now when you scroll down, as you can see, there is a comment section which is enabled now. Okay, so this is how you can enable comment section, and once you have it, you can use it in many different ways to get the feedback and to communicate with your students and keep them engaged. Okay, so if you are not using this feature of system.io, go and do it and see how to be helpful for your business. And for more tutorials such like this, subscribe to my channel, because I have tons of videos on my channel related to system.io, its features, its use cases, and at the same time I also have many other videos about uh, building a digital coaching business, about funnel marketing and traffic strategies. So you may be watching a card on the screen, just tap it and watch that video.